Welcome friends to my channel. Today is tag number 3 and the prompt is trees. So I decided to make a Christmas tree. So let's get started. This tag is pretty easy and straightforward. What I used was a die in order to create all those branches. I folded the branches in half and I glued them. And the die, I'm going to leave the link below in case you're interested in purchasing it. It is available in Amazon. I did ink all the edges of the branches. Now I glued down the star and I'm going to start gluing branch by branch and making it shape into a tree. So I have a confession to make. I had no idea what I was going to use for a trunk. So I actually ran outside and I grabbed a little branch from my oak tree and I cut it down, which I think was a great idea. I absolutely love the way it looks because it adds a lot of realism to it. So it looks perfect. And now I'm going to add ornaments. The die does bring a circle set, so you could just cut out with glitter paper or metallic paper, anything that will make it stand out more and add that special touch. This tag is very simple, but it was very easy to make. And I absolutely love the way it looks. I love the three-dimensional look. I love the little branch. And I hope you do too. So let me know what you think below. And also give this video a like. And don't forget to stop at Luisa's and Eileen's channel. I will leave the links below since they also are participating in the challenges. And you have to check out their beautiful work. Well, until tag 4, that is tomorrow. And I can't wait to show you. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.